Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe we are going to make is spicy fried fish with besan or a gram flour in an easy way from my mother's recipe. So let's make it. First wash and dry the fillets well and put them in a bowl and then keep them aside. Then on the other side in a grinding jar add ajwain or a carom seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder, then grind it well and make a smooth powder and then keep it aside. Then take a plate on the other side and then add garlic, ginger or a green chili paste to it and then add the prepared spice and then add lemon juice to it and mix it well to make a smooth spice or a paste. When dry or a wet masala or a spices are well combined, now take a piece of a fish and then coat it well with spices from the front and the back. Then after coating it well, place it on a plate and then apply all the spices on the fillet. Coat all the fish fillets in the same way and keep them coated. You can also store them in a freezer for up to a month at this point. If you want to cook it quickly, leave it for about 2 hours, and if you are not in a hurry, leave it overnight and let it marinate. Coat the spices well on the fish fillet so that the spices settle richly inside the fish. In this way, the fish becomes more flavorful and juicy. Well, you can make it like this, but if you keep it for 2 hours or more than overnight, the spices will absorb better. Then on the other side, add besan or a gram flour in a bowl and then add turmeric, salt, red chili powder and a chili flakes and also add baking soda and then add gradually water to make a smooth batter. Beat the besan or a gram flour enough to fill it with air so that the oil does not get inside the fish. This is the most secret way to keep the fish extra crispy from the outside and extra soft and juicy from the inside. The besan or a gram flour should be beaten well for about 5 minutes and beaten so much that it becomes airy and well puffed and then keep it aside. Now on the other side, add oil in a frying pan and heat it well. I have taken almost 3 to 4 cups here. You can use more if you want. When the oil is well heated, then after 2 hours, take out the fish pieces and coat them in the besan or a gram flour batter and fry them in the hot oil. Coat the fish pieces so well that no part of it should be left bare. Dip and fry all the pieces in the same way and after cooking from one side for about 5 minutes, then flip it to the other side and cook on the other side for about 5 minutes again until golden brown. At this point, you have to reduce the flame so that the fish fillets get cooked from the inside and become crispy from the outside. Rotate well so that the bottom does not stick and burn. After cooking on low to medium flame, raise the flame a bit so that the outside becomes crispy. And then after cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked from inside, then take it out and remove the oil well and then place it on a paper towel. Pat dry all the pieces and then take them out. So garnish it with lemon wedges, onion rings and green chilies and serve it with naan and ketchup or raita of your choice. Hope you like this recipe of mine and I hope you will definitely try this recipe. So please try it and comment me. I will definitely pinned. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.